Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I achieved this scotch egg recipe from start to finish so you don't miss out. I add in my eggs, I add in water, and I will cook it for 8 minutes. So here it is cooked. I peeled the shell and I added to my flour. I added my meat, powdered onion, pepper, salt. I'll just mix and mix and mix it very well until it is properly incorporated. Once I'm done with that, I will bring in my whisk egg. There I have breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to fold the egg inside the meat. For those of you always coming and returning to watch my videos, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing. May the good Lord bless you all. Keep sharing too. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a member of the family. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload new videos, you will be notified. Share this video for me, guys. So I'm done with the molding. Make sure you seal it very tight, very well, so that it don't pop open while frying. So I will add into my whisk egg. I will add into my breadcrumbs. I will just rub and rub and rub until everything is okay. Once I'm done with this part, I will go ahead and add vegetable oil to my pan. I will just allow it to heat up for 2 seconds. I will add in the scotch egg and I'm going to just fry that on a medium heat, 0 to 10 minutes. So I'll just keep on stirring, flipping over so that all the sides can cook. So here it is well cooked. I will remove it from the oil and put in my paper towel. So this is it, guys. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.